Time now to get some answers to your legal questions. Judge Muriel Robinson is here, and we always appreciate it when you do come because a lot of folks have legal questions that they need help with. And we've got some folks lined up on the phone right now, so let's take our first caller. Hi, Victoria. What's your question today for Judge Robinson?
Well, I live in Smith County, and my divorce is final. My ex-husband is ordered to pay $300 a month in spousal support, but he's only paid $100 so far. My attorney, she says she'll charge me $20 to send him a letter, or I can just send him one myself asking for it. I want to know, is there some way that I can just do a wage garnishment?
Well, you can have it ask the court to garnish the wages, and that's a judicial decision because this is not child support, this is spousal support. But you're going to have to go to court if he's not going to pay you in the form of a contempt petition. So you need to go back to your lawyer, you need to ask for your attorney's fees, and they'll draft a contempt petition, pick him up. You're in a smaller rural county there, and so they might not go to court every week, so it may be time consuming, but they'll grant you a judgment, and then after you get your judgment you can garnish his wages after you get your judgment, but you have to go through the legal process and file the contempt petition before that happens and appear before the judge. Write him the letter and tell him you're going to take him back to court, and that if he's found guilty he can go to jail for up to 6 months. That's for the judge to determine the sentence.
All right, Victoria, I hope that helps you out. Thanks so much for calling today. Hi, Kathy. What's your question for Judge Robinson?
I would like to ask, my granddaughter has a learning disability, and is there a disability act for Tennessee that will help get children be able to play sports?
Well, obviously there's disability acts and there's lawyers that handle those. Whether or not a disabled child is furnished all the amenities that a healthy child can have, I wouldn't know, but there are programs for the handicapped children to be able to play sports, and so I would you can call the Bar Association and ask for an attorney who specializes in special needs or elder law or juvenile law. That would help you.
All right. Thank you very much for calling, Kathy. Our next caller is going to be John. Hi, John. What's your question today?
I was renting from an individual, and we had some mold issues inside, so we had moved out. We had contacted the attorneys through Fair Housing, Tennessee Fair Housing, and they represented us, and we won judgment. Is there any? We put a lien on our properties. Is there any other way or means to go about getting money out of her?
Well, did you say you put the lien on her property?
We put liens on, a lien on her property that she has, and which we understand that she got that's good up to 10 years.
Well, that's true.
Any way we could get it?
If you can find her bank account, you can ask the court to issue a garnishment on her bank account or any other asset that she might have. If she's working, or rental income, if she's a landlady and she collects rent, then you can attach that rent, but you'd have to do it through the court system.
Okay, John, thank you very much. Good luck with that. Thanks to everybody who called today. We appreciate it. Judge Robinson, thank you very much for helping out our viewers. I know they appreciate it, and we do too. So Judge Robinson is going to be back with us, not next month, but the month after that, right?
Hopefully in December.
Okay, good. Hope so. Thank you.